How to delete Todoist account. Want to permanently remove your Todoist account? Here's how you can do that. So, step 1, export your data. Save projects as CSV files before deletion so you don't lose important records. Now, leave or delete team workspaces. If you're the last admin, assign another member or delete the workspace. So you can do that by hovering your mouse at the right side of that specific project, and then you'll find delete. And then from here, click on your profile at the top left, go ahead and select settings, and then go ahead and scroll down and you'll find the delete account option. So once you click on this and confirm, you can go ahead and successfully delete your Todoist account. And that is how to delete Todoist account.